Good afternoon. It is a beautiful spring day. It's about 60 degrees. I'm doing an oil change on the Jeep. It's one of those things, and it's maintenance, you got to do it. And if I don't do it and it breaks down, I can't go bridge hunting. So anyway, I've got the hard part done. I've drained the oil and I've put the new oil filter on, and I'm getting ready to put the 5 quarts of oil in it. I'm going to check the coolant and the windshield washer fluid. The coolant level is at the full mark, which that's good. And the windshield washer fluid level is about halfway, which, since it's spring, isn't that big a deal. So anyway, more stuff to do, like rotate the tires and put new lug nuts on it. Alright, I've said this in other videos and I'm going to say it again. I hate 2-piece lug nuts. If you see here, that is a cap on a nut, and this is what it looks like without the cap. Now what happens is you take your vehicle to a tire store and Joe or Jill Schmuckatelli changes your tires, and they run these down with an impact and a torque stick, and they booger them up, and you can't get your 3/4 socket on it or whatever you need on this to undo it. And once the cap disappears, this is no longer 3/4, it's 18 millimeter. So you need 2 different size sockets to get the lug nuts off. And this is why I hate 2-piece lug nuts. That 3/4 is not fitting that 3/4 sleeved lug nut. By God, it fits now. Here, we'll just take that off and I'll show you what it is. So, someone before me absolutely destroyed this lug nut. As you can see, the clean, shiny spots where I just drove that 3/4 on there to get it off. That's why I hate 2-piece lug nuts. Alright, now I'm going to start it up. And make sure the oil pressure comes up. And there it goes. Beautiful. Right where it needs to be. And I got tires rotated and the lug nuts torqued down. Isn't that nice, bright, shiny? Well, anyway, that's going to do it for this video. If you like my bright, shiny nuts, give them a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate it very much. I will see you later.